In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can pick one volume for all of your alarms. Begin by opening Clock app. Now you need to tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner and then select those three dots on the right. Finally, select Settings in the pop-up and click on Volume located under Alarm. Now you need to click on this option, Use same volume for all alarms, and pick your volume by operating this slider. When you finished, to save your changes, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!